welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this beautiful Street Glide, and we're doing a little custom work on the front end. We pulled off the front forks because we're going to do something special. He's got a custom front wheel. There it is, an RC component with single side rotor instead of dual to show off the wheel a little bit more. So it's the kind of work we do over the winter because it's a little bit of a larger job. So let me show you what we're doing with the forks. This is one side of the forks that we're gonna leave alone. This is the mount for the brakes, and what we did is we cut off what we did not need off the other one. This was cut off with a bandsaw and just get that focused out there so you can see the lines. We got it as close as possible to the actual fork leg and turned it on the lathe here, cleaned it all up, sanded it down, and this is the finished product. So now you got your two fender mounts here, and this used to sit something like this. Actually, is on the other side. It used to sit like this, and now it's cut off, all smoothened out, and we're gonna get rid of all the clear coat on it, and this is gonna get powder coated black, and it will show you on another video the complete assembly. And that's one of the services that we offer. We have a full machine shop capability here, a mill, sanding machine, welding station, TIG and MIG, engine rebuilding station, and sander, another mill, two types of bandsaw, planishing tool, all kinds of stuff. We're not your typical motorcycle shop. And there you have it. If you need some custom work done, we're all equipped. Hit us up, motorcycleenhancements.com, and like and follow for more. Have a nice day.